the ASUN technology forehead thermometer. Looks pretty basic from the box. It requires a AAA battery. We're gonna put the AAA battery inside. At first I was hesitant to open because it's very hard, but all you need to do is like force it a little until you hear the click. And make sure the batteries are intact, because sometimes it has a tendency to slip, very easy to slip, so make sure that they are intact. Then you can test it and it works. Then close it back. So the mode, selection between the degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. There are 4 modes. You're gonna have to press mode for 3 seconds. Then select F1. F1 is to change the thermometer to scan between either the body or your forehead or a surface. F2 is to change the threshold. For example, you choose 34 degrees Celsius as your threshold. It will alarm if the temperature goes above 34 degrees. F2, F3. F4 is for the sounds. So if you want the alarm to turn it off, or the beeps, you can turn it on or off. Those are the only 4 modes. Now into testing. So I'm gonna test first the body or the forehead. Okay, so right now is sensing that the temperature is above 36 degrees, which is the alarm that we set. That's why it's beeping, if you can hear it. So we're gonna have to change that. I think it's F2. Okay, forgot. What we set is 35 degrees Celsius, so we're gonna have to increase the threshold to, let's say, 37.5. So I think that's the normal body temperature. So if it exceeds above 37.5, it will make an alarm. Okay, so 36 point. Just hold it. 36.7 again. 36.6. 36.5. 36.6. So it looks pretty accurate. Testing the surface. So right now I'm trying to measure our freezer. So what you have to do is to hold the trigger while measuring. Hold it, then point. 0 degrees. Move it around. As you can see, it's The lowest it can get is 0 degrees. So if I take it off, you see the temperature rising. So point again at the freezer, it will have 0 degrees. It can't go lower below 0 degrees. So pretty accurate. So that's it. The ASUN technology forehead thermometer. The price varies for every seller. So I'm not sure how much is it in your location. But it works. Just make sure to test this after buying to make sure that the reading is correct, and if not, I think you can return it to the seller.